We have updated information about the strike on the Russian convoy 2 days ago in the Kursk region. The Ukrainian military reports that 490 Russian soldiers have been killed in a precision attack on a column of military equipment in the Kursk region. If this is remotely true, this is the most deadly attack on a single Russian column since the start of the invasion. And more. In Kursk region, Russian Ka-52 attack helicopter was destroyed by Ukraine, reportedly from near point-blank range with a man-pads. Just a Ukrainian soldier declaring himself the new mayor after taking a town hall in a small town in the Russian Kursk region. See the Russian flag. Russian Air Force bombed a village in Russia's own Kursk region. There was no official evacuation order to their own residents before they did this. And this is also new. Latest GoPro videos of slain Wagner PMC mercenary in Mali. The height of the battle, the operator and assistant bring the BC box to AGS-17, conversations on radio stations and shots are heard. At the end of the video, the battle becomes denser. If you want to experience war firsthand, this is the video for you.
За камень. За камень. Смотрите, что есть, они с этими уже. Колен. Здесь 2 или 3 ленты готовы. Удобный. Да. Головной у нас тот или он тот? Головной какой? Да, я запутал. Останови его, блядь. Это карман. Карман. Карман не понял? Не прошел. Ой, даже сюда работаю. Северо-восток, наблюдает, 3, пускаю. Посмотри на северо-восток, 3.
At night, Ukrainian border guards destroyed a Russian field ammunition depot and a firing position in the Zaporozhye direction. And for the end, another angle of the tragic plane crash in Brazil.
Tá porra! Caralho, bicho! Nó! Fudeu! É doido! Caralho, moleque!
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.